In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the webhook secret in Stripe, an essential component for managing real-time event notifications. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Stripe's official website. This is the critical starting point to ensure you're in the right place. So, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. If you're already familiar with the platform and have easy access to the link, feel free to click the Stripe URL directly. Now, once you're on the Stripe homepage, the next thing to do is sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login screen, where you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter these credentials accurately to prevent any hiccups in accessing your account. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Upon entering your dashboard, you'll notice it's like the command center for all your Stripe activities. Scroll down to find the section labeled Developers. Here, you can access an array of developer tools and settings, including those specifically relating to webhooks. In the Developers section, you'll see an option called Webhooks. Click on it to proceed further along our journey. To set up your webhook, you'll want to click on Add Endpoint. This step is crucial as it determines where Stripe will send event information. Without this setup, it would be impossible to receive the critical data necessary for handling transactions with Stripe. Once you click on Add Endpoint, you'll be directed to a new page where you can make specific selections regarding the types of notifications you want to receive. Start by selecting Checkout and then choose Checkout.Session.Completed. This event type is key as it allows your website to react appropriately to successful transaction completions. Next, move on to the Invoices section and choose Invoice.Payment Succeeded. This ensures you are notified each time a payment-related invoice successfully goes through. With these selections made, hit Continue to move on to configuring the endpoint. In the endpoint configuration, you'll see a field labeled Webhook URL, which serves as the address where Stripe will send the webhook data. Take a moment to enter the precise URL that will receive this information. Underneath that, you'll find the option to add a description. This is a good opportunity to provide a reference point for what this webhook is intended for, aiding in future management. Finally, click Add Endpoint to save your configuration. Your setup will be complete, and Stripe will start sending information to your specified endpoint, concluding the setup process. With everything now set, you've successfully obtained your webhook secret in Stripe. You're all set up to receive real-time event notifications directly to your server. Just make sure to test the setup in a controlled environment to verify everything functions as expected. Simple, right?